Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the System Software Compiler Design Programming Lab, and let's see the experiment number 5 loader. And the aim is to simulate the concept of absolute loader. Description: absolute loader is a simple loader which forms leading processor and need not to perform linking and program relocate process. And the sample input and output: input H sample 001000035T 001000003 0010003 071009, and the sample output should be like this. And let's see the program. Input RE loader is equals to 0 with 0 input 5 load txt for line in F data line split. If data is equals to H, print name of frame from object, format data 1, loader is equals to int data 2, else if data 0 is equals to T, if loader is equals to data loader is equals to int data 1, add is equals to data 3, add is equals to re.pendle or add for object in add print 00 format loader object, loader reflex is equals to 1, try if data 4, add 2 is equals to data 4, add 2 is equals to re.pendle 0 r slash d slash add 2 for object in add 2 print 00 format loader object, loader plus is equals to 1, expect index error pass continue. And let's see the sample input, and the sample input is here. Let's run the program, and the output is name from object sample 0010000 0010010 001002003 001003007 001004010 001005009 0020011 0020011 0020021, and thank you guys by watching my video.